Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, brought to you by Carolina Cooker. Today we're going to do one of my favorite dishes, Catfish Couvillion. So we've got olive oil, butter, garlic onions, bell pepper, salt and pepper, and celery. And we're going to kind of brown these in to get the base of the stock going. So over medium-high heat, you want to get everything kind of going. Start with a tablespoon of olive oil and about a tablespoon of unsalted butter. And we're going to give this a minute, let the butter kind of melt down before we start adding a bunch of our vegetable ingredients into it. Then we're going to go ahead and throw in, it's about half of a white onion diced, got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, got 1 each red, yellow, and green bell pepper, and 2 stalks of celery. And you want to cook it to where it gets kind of translucent. You don't want to cook it to where it's too overcooked because you still have to cook the stock in with it. Now that the vegetables are kind of about halfway cooked down, starting to soften up, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 whole can of rotel tomatoes, original, and about a 1.5 cups worth of just diced tomatoes. And then we've got some flour. This is going to kind of help thicken it up. So you want to do about 1/4 cup of flour. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken stock. Now this is at still pretty much a medium-high to high heat to kind of let everything really cook in and incorporate. Now we're going to add in the herbs into this dish. So we've got some bay leaves, some fresh dill, and some rosemary. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the heat down. And we're going to go ahead and add in our catfish. We got about 1.5 pounds of catfish kind of cut into about 2 by 3 inch chunks. Mix this all in. Make sure everything's coated. Now we go ahead and salt and pepper. We're going to put the lid back on and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and check it. Quick stir. We're going to finish this off with about 1/2 lemon. All right. And finish it off with a little bit of green onion on top. It's always great to catch wild game outside, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.